Dear student, welcome in online class 6. Today we discuss rest exercise and question answer from chapter 2 components of food. Match the following: protein, pulses, rackets, vitamin D, sugar, glucose, anemia, vitamin B, scurvy, vitamin C, fat, butter. That means D. 1 का E, 2 का C, 3 का A, 4 का B, 5 का F, 6 का D. Okay. Write one word for the following. A nutrient present mainly in potato. कार्बोहाइड्रेट ब्रैकेट में करिएगा और स्टार्च लिखिएगा. पेंसिल से लिखा है, ब्लर है, इससे स्पेलिंग डिक्टेट कर दे रही हूँ. STARCH. सेकेंड, द सब्सटेंस दैट गिव्स ब्लू कलर इन आयोडीन. स्टार्च. STARCH. थर्ड, द सब्सटेंस विच आर क्लासिफाइड एज बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड. प्रोटीन. PROTEINS. Fourth, kwashiorkor is caused by the deficiency of protein and carbohydrates. PROTEINS. And carbohydrates. CARBOHYDRATE. Answer the following question. Question number 1. What are the two types of carbohydrate? The two types of carbohydrate are sugar and starch. Sugar are the simple carbohydrates having sweet. These are soluble in water. The main source of sugar in our body are glucose, cane sugar, milk, fruits such as banana, apple, grapes, etc. Starch. Starch is a complex carbohydrate. Starch is soluble in water. A starch molecule contains large number of simple sugar molecules. Major source of starch in our body are wheat, rice, maize and potatoes. Next question. What is meant by a balanced diet? What should be the suggested portion of the major component in a balanced diet? Balanced diet. A diet that contains adequate amount of different components of food required for the healthy functioning of our body is called a balanced diet. The composition of the balanced diet depending upon sex, age group and occupation. A typical balanced diet should contain carbohydrate 60%, fat 15%, protein 25%, minerals, vitamins, drugs, sufficient water. Third, define ruggage. Answer. Ruggage is the dietary fiber present in food we eat. Ruggage consists of plant cellulose. Our body system does not contain any enzyme to digest cellulose. Next question. State the function of water in our body. The function of water in our body are: first one is water is the main constituent of blood which contribute to the transport of nutrient to the cells. Second, helps our body to absorb nutrient for the food. Third, essential for cells to function properly. Fourth, help in body temperature regulation. Fifth, removal of waste from the body in the form of urine and sweat. Next question. Describe the role of the following in our body: carbohydrates, protein and water. सिर्फ इस क्वेश्चन में हम लोग ए और बी करेंगे. सी अभी प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में कर चुके हैं, तो खाली इसमें रोल लिखेंगे हम लोग कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स और प्रोटीन का. रोल ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट इन आवर बॉडी. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स गिव एनर्जी टू वर्क and play. They spare protein for bodybuilding functions. Next, they also help in breaking of fatty acid. Next, protein present in them increases stool bulk and help in easy defecation. Role of protein in our body. Protein help in digestion, body growth, tissue repair and catalyzing certain biological process. Second, they help in making hemoglobin, hormones, enzyme, antibody, etc. Third, they help in clotting of blood. Fourth, they provide energy when carbohydrates and fats are not available. Next question, why intake of more fat than carbohydrate in diet is not advisable? Answer, excess fat in the food get deposit in our body. Too much of fat deposit in our body leads to obesity. Next question, what causes marasmus in children? Answer, marasmus is caused by the deficiency of protein and carbohydrates. Symptoms, it has the following symptoms: body become very lean and thick and so weak that the children not be able to move. Second point, skin becomes dry, thin and wrinkled. Third, ribs become very prominent. Fourth, sunken eye. Fifth, unable to digest and absorb food and may suffer from diarrhea. Last question. What do you understand by malnutrition? How does it affect the growth of a child? Malnutrition, imbalance in the diet may be due to following three reasons: inadequate quality of food, excess of food. The food lacks in some essential components, that is nutrients. Many diseases are known to occur just because of imbalance in the diet. The condition of nutrition in which the food is either in inadequate quality or in excess, or it lacks in some essential nutrients, is called malnutrition. In simple terms, the condition arising out of inadequate or imbalanced food is called malnutrition. Now student, your second chapter is over now. We discuss new chapter in our next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.